Brown box opened up.
Running bag to store running gear for running adventures.
Oh, I cannot believe they're actually here. Size 12. They feel so light. I'm pumped. All right, my second pair just came in the mail, so I can now use my other pair that I don't love the colorway of for training runs. Alphafly 3.
Will not be needing those return papers.
Yeah, they're sweet. I kind of thought it was more red, but it's like guava, I guess, is the colorway, and it fades out towards the back. My favorite is the original prototype, the black, white, and orange.
Alphafly plate.